Welcome back to our course. We are still in session 2, normalization, and in this video we are going to discuss Boyce-Codd normal form. So Boyce-Codd normal form is a special type of third normal form that is slightly stronger than third normal form. Boyce-Codd normal form was developed by Raymond Boyce and Codd to address certain types of anomalies that are still present within third normal form. So if we take a look here, we can see shop near a person, we can see the person and the shops, and then we can see the shop and the shop type. So if we then bring this into third normal form, we still have the shop and the shop type here, but we're able to eliminate some of the data anomalies by, and in this case, we still have the person. And now we're adding the shop type, which is a key which exists in both tables. And then we're also able to put in the nearest shop. So this actually addresses those kind of anomalies where we could have duplicates as far as shop type. So this allows a user then to drill down to the nearest shop. And if we take a look here, here is a simpler way to state or to display Boyce-Codd normal form. We have our student ID table here, our student table. We can see our student ID. And if we look here, we have our professor table, and we can see the professor IDs. And the professor ID is a foreign key within the student table. And we are able now to bring back the professor and also the subject that the professor is teaching. So this is a more simplified way or a simplified view to look at Boyce-Codd normal form. So normalization and database design, the data architect certainly wants to take normalization under consideration when designing the database. So during the normalization process of the database design, make sure that the proposed entities or tables meet the required normal form before table structures are created. If that's not done, the data architect can have a lot more work going back in and breaking the tables into the required normal form. Many real-world databases have been improperly designed or burdened with anomalies if improperly modified during runtime or during design time. You may need to be asked to redesign any existing tables, and this could be a large undertaking. It can be a lot of rework if the tables are not properly normalized. So stay tuned for our next lesson and our next video where we are going to look at the database development process.